Oh my. Wait, hold on. Oh wait. Hi guys. Oh, I don't think you could hear. Hi guys. Today we are in a museum, and right now we're watching a video.
Because you have to know their deep thoughts. They have to confess to you how they're feeling or their opinions about things. It may be a phrase that they say in a conversation. It's like, oh, I haven't heard that said like that before. Let me write that down, and that becomes sort of the centerpiece of the song. I think it's as simple as just getting the input from the artist and then making something that's uniquely them.
I knew I was going to do this when I was like about 8 or 9.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It says Lady Gaga down there. Duck. Oh my. That's so cool. Oh, look at these dresses. Looks so pretty.
Those are pretty.
Wait, are these actually little sketches? These are.
They got the dress.
These are actually sketches. People make good sketches. Oh my.
Would you work stuff like that?
Oh my. This museum's so cool. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. He wants so much. I think I'm ready to go to that area. Okay, now we're entering a room with a lot of portraits. This is my critical music. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Those are so cool. And over here we have even more people. Oh my. Cool. Why does it look so creepy? Oh my gosh. Okay, we are on, I think we're on the 3rd floor. Yeah, we're on the 3rd floor. Look at this beautiful dress. It's a beauty. Those. And then over here we got more. Wow. Wait, someone actually wore this. So cool. I'm not reading that. I'm not reading that. I'm not reading that. I'm not reading that again. Well, I think I'll see you guys on the next floor. Now we're on the last level, which is level 5. They have beanbags. They have a huge field. Look at this. Over there. What if it's sunny out here? Look at that building.